So I'm out here today on this new, I guess you can call it a tributary. This feeds into a bigger creek down below. There's both browns and brookies in here. I fished this creek 2 years ago, way down below, and caught 2 nice browns out of it. Fished it last year, which is my prospecting new water video on my channel. Didn't get any fish in that video, but I had drove way up the road this time, and I'm gonna hit some new water I've never fished before. So hopefully it turns out good. Stay tuned, should be a good one, guys. All right, so I'm coming up on my first little pool here. The rod today I'm using is my Wild Water 5'6" 3-weight, and I got a nice little run area right there. I got another one up there. I got another one here. Creek kind of divides right here, so the fly I'm starting out with today is just a little Elk's hair caddis. All right, just came up to another nice little pocket right here. See if there's any fish in this. Oh, you guys see that head? That was crazy. He'll come back for it, I'm sure. Sitting right over in that fast water, right there. What a smart little fish that is, huh? Gave me one shot and that was it. Interesting. Nice little run area right here. Could potentially hold a fish. I'm gonna take a water temp check here in a minute, but it's probably around 60 or so. I'll just do that. Spot's a little bit shallower than I would like. Let's see if it'll hold a fish. There we go. Beautiful take. It's a nice fish too, guys. Coming at me, coming at me. Oh, what do we got? Hey! Oh my God, we got a brown. Told you there was browns in here. A wild brown. Look at that thing. Look at the colorations on that. That's awesome. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get a release on it. There it goes. There's one in there. There is one in there. See if it'll come back where it's sitting way up in the head of that. Way up in there. Missed it again. Way up in there, come on. Come on. Missed it again. Right up in there. Oh, a little bit to the left. Right in there. Well, that wraps this video up, everybody. It was kind of a short one today. Not too much action, but I'm going back out tomorrow, so keep an eye out for that video. Gonna be hitting a creek that I know pretty well, so should catch some fish in that one. But I want to thank everybody for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.